Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So pretty much today another vlog. We're working on the motor still, unfortunately. So pretty much today we about to put the oil pan back into the motor. The one thing is I tested out last night and it was leaking. Now what happened is, let me just put all this stuff here. Alright, so yeah, what happened is I am planning to use the old oil pan that I have from the JZX 100. As you guys know, this oil pan was pretty much dented up everywhere. What I did last night is I took a 2x4 and a hammer. I just took all the dent out. It's kind of flat now and is kind of good looking again, I guess. But I don't know why, but you know, there was a leak by the drain plug. So pretty much I filled it up with water last night and I was kind of testing it to see if there were any leak and whatnot. But there was a leak over here by the fitting. This is pretty much where is the drain plug is. I think this little bracket over here, what holds the drain plug, it might have gone loose. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get the TIG welder. I'm gonna just, you know, weld it up, you know, seal it up and make sure that there is no other leak. Other than that, I think it should be ready to go. Another thing that I wanted to show you guys is I just got this thermal gasket from Siki. This is a OEM replacement. Alright, so if you guys notice some different on the audio, on the video, this is because I'm testing out a brand new camera that I just got. Actually, this is a GoPro Hero 7. There's a lot of going back and forth between the audio and whatnot. Some people said the audio is good, some people said the audio is bad. I'm not really sure how it sounds yet or how it sounds yet in the video. Alright, so pretty much we are testing out the GoPro Hero 7. This is the black edition and we are recording at 2.7K at super view mode. I don't know how wide is this, but it should be pretty cool. Now I don't know how that's compared to my Sony 5100, but actually this camera has a very good audio. You know, this is the camera that I've been using for everything. The thing that I really like about this Sony 5100, you have a flip out screen. So actually, you know where you at. So compared to the GoPro, I know the GoPro I'm there, but I just want to make sure that, you know, I'm good. You know, I'm good looking and when I'm recording or not right behind me. So yeah, pretty much we're gonna grab the TIG welder. We're gonna shut this off. This is the little bracket that holds the drain plug in place. So we're actually gonna weld that up and hopefully all the leaks are gone and it should be it. Damn, it actually came out pretty good. Hopefully here we fix the problem. If not, I don't know, I think we might have to get another oil pan, but it was pretty simple. I think my TIG welds are getting better and better. I'm not gonna lie, look at that. Damn, it looks good though. Alright, so pretty much what we're doing now is we're gonna wait until the welds get cooled down. And then after that, we're gonna add some water. Just wanna make sure that there's not gonna be any leak, you know, before we put it into the motor. Because I don't wanna have any, you know, leaking problems in our future. So you guys know the story. Alright, so pretty much just test it up and it's good. There's no leak or whatsoever. Everything seems pretty dry. No drops are coming out from the pan. There's no water coming out from the plug anymore. We fixed our problem with some nice weld. Look at that. Woo! Fusion, boy. What to do next is we should be able to paint this a little bit before we dump it in because it looked like shit. And another thing that I wanted to show you guys is I didn't know that Greddy sold that M18 by 1.5 to NPT. So actually, I'm gonna put all my sensor in here. I don't have to run anything else like that, like this. The oil pressure is all set up. It's looking good. I'm just waiting for the other plug that I ordered. The other one that I'm gonna use is for my oil pressure gauge and also the OEM oil pressure sensor. That's about it. That's gonna wait for a little bit and this thing is gonna come out good. And also what I did over here is I rerouted the coolant system. Since our car is gonna be running heat, I'm keeping these holes. A lot of people just block it off. Here's the part number, 19048. It cost me like $5, you know. It comes as a 90. It actually looked like an S shape. So I just cut it and made it fit. It looks good, nice and clean. Alright, so pretty much here a little comparison between the Leaki thermonator intake manifold gasket and here's the OEM one. I don't know, man. It looked like that this thing is made up of the same material but just different color. I mean, I don't know, man. You like to really get into it, we have to cut the material out and to see what is in here. I don't know, so probably this second one is some type of new technology thingy, and there's the OEM one. So pretty much weight wise, I think the Leaki one and the OEM one, I think the Leaki one is a little lighter. Alright, so the Leaki gasket is on. This is the easiest thing that I have ever done on the motor. Now you guys wonder what's up with the oil pan. Ended up that I have no pan at home. So I just don't wanna, you know, go out to Home Depot or to the, you know, AutoZone just to get some pan and then come back, because by then that day for me is gonna be done. I do actually have the upper and lower intake manifold at home. I was just really waiting for those parts. So another thing that I wanted to show you guys is that this plate over here. Now this is actually the oil level sensor block off plate from the JZ. I painted it up last night, so even with the coal and everything, look at that. This is actually a anodized silver with some flake on it. It looks pretty good though. Look at that. This actually sit over here. I mean, eventually this gonna get dirty, but hey, you know, why not? It looks good though. So actually it is a little weird because I am really used to the flip-flop screen of the Sony 5100. I don't know what I'm recording and whatnot, so guys, just bear with me. I'm kind of testing out the GoPro Hero 7. I don't know how's the quality yet, like I just said, and then I'm pretty sure the audio is gonna be sucked. That's why I've been trying to speak as loud as possible. So yeah, I mean, there's really not much to do. I really want to, you know, put the oil pan back into the motor so we could just flip it and then just start servicing the intake part tomorrow. But I ended up like welding it, but there's no paint, you know. So I kind of want to paint. I really want to paint this up because I don't want to create any rust or anything corrosion. I mean, I don't think it will because there's going to be always fluid in there. But hey, you never know, you know. You don't want bad things to go into your motor. So, alright, so I think that's pretty much for today. I'm going to rush into a AutoZone or Advanced Auto Part or somewhere so I could get some paint for my pan. And then and catch you guys up tomorrow.